Why screen breaks matter for mental health.
Extended screen time can lead to eye strain, headaches, and increased stress. Regular breaks give your mind and body a chance to recharge, reducing fatigue and supporting focus. Setting up automated reminders to take screen breaks helps build healthy habits, protects mental health, and keeps you feeling refreshed throughout your day.
Choosing the right break reminder tools.
You have several options for automated screen break reminders. Many computers and smartphones offer built-in features for scheduling notifications. Apps like Stretchly, iLeo, or Focus Booster can send pop-up reminders at set intervals. Choose a tool that fits your routine, works on your device, and lets you customize the timing of your breaks.
Setting up your reminders step by step.
First, download and install your chosen reminder app, or locate your device's health or wellness settings. Set the frequency for your screen breaks. Common intervals are every 20, 30, or 60 minutes. But just reminder sounds, messages, or pop-ups to something you'll notice and respond to. Test it once to be sure it works as expected.
Making the most of your screen breaks.
When your reminder goes off, step away from your screen. Stretch, walk around, look out a window, or do a few deep breaths. Even short, mindful activities can help reset your focus and reduce mental fatigue. Resist the urge to skip breaks. Consistency is key for protecting your mental health over time.
Creating a sustainable screen break habit.
Building a new habit takes practice. Remind yourself why these breaks matter for your well-being. Encourage coworkers or family to join you, making breaks part of your daily culture. Over time, automated reminders and healthy break routines can become second nature, leading to better focus and improved mental health throughout your day.